Hello everybody! Welcome to our hugging tree forest here in Levi, Finnish Lapland. My name is Riitta Raikkallio-Wynderink. I am the CEO and Chief Tree Hugging Officer here at HaliPuu. HaliPuu means literally in Finnish a tree to hug, because that's what we are all about. This, what you see here around me, this is an old production forest that my dad, an old lumberjack, grew up with. A few years ago, he told me that it was actually time to take the forest down. And then he was wondering what on earth he's going to do, because he didn't want to do that. It was too dear to him. In the same sentence, he actually said, what if we adopt these trees as hugging trees to people of the world? I thought, yes, that's completely crazy. That's wonderful. And I took it and I thought, I'm going to make this into a business. I started developing it, and that's how HaliPuu was born. Then we started doing live broadcasts from here, from the forest. Our record is 150,000. We actually reached that during an episode on a International Day of the Forest, I think it was. Then we made an app. It's called Forest in Your Pocket. The idea of that is to give people a little glimpses into how, for instance, the tree bark feels against your cheek, or the snow when it crunches between your fingers. And now the app houses our world map of trees, which we started building last year. It's all about playfulness for us. It's passivities rather than activities. What we want to do is act sustainable and with respect, both to our guests, to ourselves, to our dear trees, our surroundings, our suppliers. We want to create a win-win situation for everybody that is involved with what we do. And we want to show that you don't have to take down a tree to create a business. We take out the physical product out of the equation, so that what is left and what we give to people is the emotion, the experience, the feeling. That's what conventional products are about anyways, aren't they? We're a tiny little company with tiny means. And basically whatever we get, we put back into HaliPuu. If we had bigger financial shoulders, we would be able to do much more. On the other hand, I'm really proud of what we've done. Just simply with hard work. It's incredible to see how people respond to our forest, how they really immerse themselves into the experiences that we share with them. That's also why I'm so happy about the visibility that we've gained. We've had CNN here in our forest, and we've been written about in Business Insider. Last Christmas we even had Gordon Ramsay here. He loved the chai latte that my husband made him. The point here is not that we get our faces in the paper, that it means that people resonate with what we do. They find what we do worth writing about, and that's incredible. There's such a need for nature right now, and that's what I love. Like the Tree Hugging World Championships that we started last year, and we just ran them a few days ago again. This year National Geographic Russia wrote about it, and I think as a consequence we got incredibly beautiful tree hugging pictures from around the world, messages, stories about people and their love for trees. They were thanking us for giving a platform to share that love with other people. That just blows my mind. In the future, I think we would like to work with bigger organizations that can give us the space to do what we do the best, to bring that love for forests to people, and to bring that platform to share that love to people. And I think that my secret wish would be to bring HaliPuu forests into city parks, maybe, around the world. So if you have great propositions to us, then bring them our way. Let us hear that. Until then, see you in our forest. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.